Hello students, very good morning to you all. I hope that all of you are fine and doing very well at home. Please be at home and be safe and keep studying. If you have any problem regarding your syllabus, your topic, kindly consult me without any hesitation. Okay. So last time we have discussed exercise 1.3 and question number till 14 we have discussed. So I have taken the rest of the questions in this exercise. Let us read the 15th question. What is that? It is written, write the greatest 6-digit number using 3 different digits. Okay. So let us take one by one all these 3 questions. Okay. This is the 15th one. We have to write the greatest 6-digit number, but the change is that we have to use 3 different digits. First of all, we must write what? The greatest 6-digit number. Okay, the greatest 6-digit number, as we all know, is 999. 6 times we have to write the digit 9. Okay. So this is 9,99,999. 6-digit greatest number. Okay. So here we have to write greatest 6-digit number using 3 different digits. Okay. So what we can use? We can use 9, we can use 8, we can use 7. Okay. Here all the digits are 9. So we have to replace any 2 digits with 8 and 7. Okay. We have to write the greatest number. So we need to replace these last 2 digits. Okay. With 8 and 7. So what we need to write? We need to write 9, 9, 9 and 8, and this need to be 7. Okay. If we will use 7 at this place, if we interchange 87 by 78, that will be the smaller number. This is the greatest number which we can write by using 3 different digits, 6-digit number. Okay. Okay, let us see the second question. Write the smallest 7-digit number using 4 different digits. Okay, we have to write the smallest 7-digit number using 4 different digits. Okay, so let us write first what is the smallest 7-digit number. Okay, smallest 7-digit number, that is 1 and 6 zeros after that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. In the Indian system, I have placed the commas. Okay. This is 10 lakh. Okay. Now, we have to use 4 different digits. We have to use 4 different digits. Now, 1 cannot be replaced by any of the digits. Another digit is 0. Here, there are 2 digits. So, we just need to replace only 2 digits. Okay, so what we can use? We have used 1, we have used 0. Okay, there are 9, total 10 digits. So we have used 1, we have used 0. So we have 2, we can use 3. Because we are writing smallest number. So we will see the smaller digits also. In the previous one we have used the larger digits. That is after 9, 8, then 7. Here after 0, 1, we can use 2 and 3. Okay, these 4 digits are the smaller one. So let me write it. That is the smallest 7-digit number using 4 different digits. Okay, now let us see. We have to use 2 different digits, because here itself we are having 2 different digits, 1 and 0. Let's use 2 more digits or replace the last 2 digits by which 2 and 3. So we will write 1, 0, 0, 0, again 0. Okay. Now there are 2 places left. First we will write the smaller one. Okay, smaller than smaller is 2. So we will write 2 and after the greater one, that is 3. Okay. So what is this? This is 10,23,000. When we will replace 23 by 32, it will be 1,32,000. But that number is greater than this one. So this is the smallest 7-digit number using 4 different digits. Let us see the 17th question. Let us read this question number 17th. What is being asked over here? Write the greatest and the smallest 4-digit number. Okay, using 4 different digits with the condition as given. Okay, the condition is given. We have to write 4-digit smallest and greatest number using all the digits different. All the digits should be different, but the condition is also given. In the first one, digit 7 is at always unit place. Okay, so let us write the greatest 4-digit number. Okay, this is the greatest 4-digit number. Which one is that? 9, 9, 9 and 9. Okay, that is 9,999. Okay, similarly, let us see what is the smallest 4-digit number. It will be 1000. This is 1000. Okay, now the first condition is that all the digits should be different. Okay, and the second condition is, in the first one it is given that 7 will be at unit place. So 7 must be there. Okay, 7 must be there in both the cases and all the digits should be different. So let us see. Now in the first case, let us put 7 at the unit place. Okay, again there is 9, 9 and 9. Okay, in the another case, let us see here 7 at unit place and let us take rest of the digits. Okay, so this is the case, 7 is at unit place. Okay, this is the first condition. Now let us replace all the rest digits so that there should be 4 different digits. So this is the fixed one, we cannot change 7. Okay, and now we have to make the greatest digit number and all the digits should be different. So replace this by 8 and replace this one. Because we have used already 7, we cannot use 7 is at this place because all the digits should be different. So we can use here 6. Okay, so what it will be? It will be 9, 8, 6, 7. So both the conditions satisfied. 7 at unit place and all the digits are different. So this is the greatest 4-digit number with all the digits different and 7 at unit place. Again let us see. We have to write the smallest one. Okay, so 1 is there, 0 is there, 7 is there. There are already 3 different digits. We just need to replace only 1 digit. By which number? Just take 0, 1, we can use 2. Okay, let us see the third question. Second and fourth are your homework. We have to use digit 9 is always at 100 place. Okay, digit 9 will be always at 100 place. So let us see. The largest one is this. Okay, we have to take 9 always at 100 place. Okay, 1 stands 100. So this will be always 9 and all the digits are different. So just start replacing 9 by 8. Okay, then we can use 7. Then we can use 6 also. So this is the number. Again, let us see the smallest one. The 4-digit smallest number. Now the condition is that 9 should be at 100 place. 1 stands 100. So we have to replace 0 by 9. Okay, 1 will be 1 because it is different from 9. Okay, now what we can use? We can use 0. 0 is also different. We can use 0 because now one place is left. We have to use any digit.